Hello everyone. Now in this video what we'll do is we will convert a curved wall into a curtain wall. So let's go to first floor. So for instance that we have this wall which is right now an interior wall, and if you want to convert this into a curtain wall we can do that. So let's go back and convert it to a curtain wall. Now when you see that, when you convert it to a curtain wall, it shows up straight, and there's a reason for it. Why? Because we haven't really modified its panels, its horizontal and vertical layout. So let's do that. Let's go in our 3D view and let's switch on our section box so that we can see this first floor. Switch on the section box and let's bring it to, okay, let's orbit around and see that that's where our curtain wall is. Okay. So even though it's, when we hover our mouse, even though the profile shows as a curve, it is not showing as a curved wall. So click on this curtain wall and click on edit its type, and let's duplicate it. Let's call curtain wall with 1 foot 8 inches by 2 feet 0 inches panel or grid. Click OK. What we need to do is we need to define the vertical and horizontal grid. So under layout, if you click, it shows various options. One is fixed distance, fixed number. So we can show a fixed distance. We can specify a fixed distance, we can specify a fixed number. What I would prefer to do is maximum spacing, and because vertical grid, my horizontal spacing I want to keep at 1 foot 8 inches. That's the maximum I want. For horizontal grid, my vertical maximum spacing I want to keep at 2 feet. Once that is done, click OK. And now you see that it has gained its curvilinear shape. Why? Because now it knows that what are the sizes of these panels. So you can convert this into a glass brick wall also if you needed to. All you have to do is make sure its thickness is equal to the glass brick thickness, and the panel size, the grid size is equal to the length and the width of the glass brick. And as you see, it retains the opening the way it was. Now we know that this line of the grid is not matching with the opening, and you can try to tweak it and you can try to match it. So we hover your mouse on this edge, on this grid, and then hit tab. And when you see this grid showing up, click on it. Okay. Once you click and select it, I wanted to go to first floor plan view. Okay, come here and click on move. As you hover your mouse, you will see that this line is showing that where that grid line is. And what we want this to be moved to this edge right here. Okay. And now you can see that it completely matches with the door opening. And if you really want this to match with this, you can actually click on the single grid. So if you tab, if it is not showing, when it shows just a single grid, click on it. When it is selected, go to first floor plan view, and it will highlight that. First unpin it. Right now it's pinned. So unpin, move it from here to here. Probably we need to fine tune it from here to here. Okay. So you see that we can align these panels of curtain wall by tweaking them, by moving them, by selecting the right grid that you want and going to the plan view and moving it to wherever you want. So we can do that. Now, if you also want to show these vertical mullions and horizontal transoms, you can do that. So click on Edit Type. First select the curtain wall, click on Edit Type. And if you want to show, let's say, under horizontal grid, if you want to show horizontal mullion and vertical mullion, click here and select, let's say if you want a rectangular mullion 1, that is by default is there, click apply and those mullions will show up. If you want horizontal, click apply and it will show up. You can also try the other one, which is circular mullion, click apply. These are the circular one and circular mullion for this. So if you want this mullion to show up, you can do that. I do not want that. Let me go back and undo it. I just want a glass wall to show. So this is how you can actually convert a curved wall into curtain wall and change its profile, its layout. Thanks for watching.